Hi, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to talk through how to get a custom YouTube URL for your YouTube channel. When you first set up a YouTube channel, the URL you get is long and filled with a mix of letters and numbers. The biggest downside is that it's not easy for people to remember. Setting up a custom URL for your YouTube channel gives you the opportunity to modify your URL so it can better align with your brand. As of February 2018, the requirements to set up a custom URL are that your channel has more than 100 subscribers, is more than 30 days old, features a channel icon, and you have channel art. If you meet those requirements, let's walk through how you can set up a custom URL for your YouTube channel. Step 1. Open your web browser, navigate to the YouTube website, and then log into your account if you're not logged in automatically. Step 2. Click the icon in the upper right corner of the screen associated with your account, and then click Creator Studio. The Creator Studio screen associated with your account appears. Step 3. Click Channel in the list of options that appear along the left side of the screen, and then click Status and Features. The Status and Features menu appears on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Scroll down to Custom URL. Make sure the status is eligible. If you're eligible, click Enable. The Advanced Account Settings screen appears. Step 5. Click Here beneath Channel Settings to the right of You're eligible for a custom URL. The Get a Custom URL dialog box appears. You'll see two options for a custom URL. The first option will only be your YouTube channel name. Alternatively, the second option lets you use your channel name plus additional characters to help make your channel URL more unique. Step 6. Choose the custom URL option that works best for you. Step 7. Review the custom URL terms of use, and then click to place a check mark next to the line at the bottom of the dialog box asking you to verify that you have read and agree to the custom URL terms of use. Step 8. Click the blue Change URL button at the bottom of the dialog box. Another dialog box appears, asking you to confirm the custom URL you chose. Step 9. Click the blue Confirm Choice button at the bottom of the dialog box. You'll be redirected to the channel page featuring your new custom URL. If your channel homepage doesn't appear automatically, wait a few seconds and then click Refresh. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a custom URL for your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.